We have been toiling, hands raw, hearts callous, since 2016, digging through the soil of our own ambition, searching for the roots of something greater. We built and rebuilt, stacked hope on top of hustle, but the ground kept shifting. The sky kept waiting, and we wondered, when would we rise? Then came March, and with it, Esther, a sculptor of essence, delivering not just a name, but a foundation, solid as sunrise after a sleepless night. She gave us the language of our own becoming, etched our purpose in stone, and suddenly we stood taller, knowing who we were and what we could become. Odette stepped in, hands steady, eyes wide with vision. She took that foundation, wove in Stephanie's dreams, fortified every corner, made sure no storm could shake us. She built walls of intention, windows of clarity, doors that opened to possibility. And we felt the shift from fragile to fortified, from maybe to must. Ali arrived, a conductor of momentum, turning blueprints into breathing, operationalizing every promise, making the abstract actionable. And then, forward thinking marketing, 6 weeks of lightning brought it all to life. Our brand, our story, no longer a whisper, but a chorus, singing, "We have leveled up, we are here, we are ready, and the world will know our name."